Mauia e mole ila ua vaai ma le tilu whaakeusiana. O tele suinga fōwa i nei, ua awhia le tala nei. O manatu tangata ua ao Samoa, ua i le tala nei lau whanua Samoa. But I guarantee as a whaiwheau, ili i ao a Samoa. O loo iei pēr le pongi sae lunga o le atunu. O na ua mawhai e le wha Samoa. O na ta ofi nisi o fuafuanga whaakeusiano. Ua le mawhai o na o le maalosi o le tala lei. E tusai o le finangalo Yesu ia o tau watu e whainu malawa ma so papatiso o tau suafo tama le alo malengang pa ia. Ua mafua mai o na ua afia le ilangalu. It's an issue i leolanga tapua ima leolanga keusiano. Ua mawhai o na ese langa nuu ma le tala lei. Ua whaata ua tangata langa nuu. Ai mulia in tala lei.
Lea Sophia Fia Lea Sosalene Iatato Tapuai Ilo Tato Wali Etele Lava So Etupuai Tima Alene Lava So Tato Te Filemu Lea So Epaia Elena Lueai Atao Aso Ese Sili lava Lenea solene Etupuai manatu Imea iluma Iatamawai maoe Yesu
This song was written specifically for Sundays. The early missionaries who wrote the song also referred to Sunday as a day of rest. And if you follow the early missionaries in their writings, you'll find that almost without exception, they refer to Sunday as a day of rest, that is Sabbath. No, Sabbath hasn't changed. It still falls on the seventh day of the week. That's the day God rested from his creation work. In the book of Colossians, Paul said Sabbath is a shadow of Jesus. A shadow is anything that prefigures Jesus. When we go to the New Testament, we find that of the 10 commandments, the fourth one, remember the Sabbath and keep it holy, is not there. Because the substance, not the shadow, but the substance of the Sabbath, Jesus Christ, has come. So we find in Jesus our rest. In the book of Matthew, we find him saying, "Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." So in Jesus, the Christian finds rest from the yoke of human tradition and laws, and also from the burden of sin. So this song, though it was written for Sunday, is a perfect song for funeral services. When the saint passes on, he finds true rest in Jesus Christ. He is free from the burden of sin, and is also free from the presence of sin. The longing to be absent from the body and to be present with the Lord is found in the last 3 lines of this song. When this life ends, may I be with you in that heavenly place. That's a beautiful truth on this song. Jesus is our Sabbath. In him we will find rest. So until the next song, may God keep you and make his face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.